All right, we just got in this brand new Canik and gonna open it up and check it out. If you've bought a Canik before, you know that they come with a lot of different accessories and things right in the box. Comes with a outside the waistband Kydex holster, flared mag well, chambered in 9 millimeter. Got a tanny rail in the front. The slide is ported to reduce some weight, and this gun's cut for eye. Canik supplies the plates also. The Canik, as many of you know, this is a entry-level gun to get into competition shooting right straight out of the box. It has the aggressively serrated slides here to make it real easy to grip and rack that slide. Inside the package, in addition to the gun and the holster, you get a spare magazine, and then you got the additional back straps. Parts and screws come in this little pistol right here, and you just slide off the bottom of the mag well, and there's all your screws and all your different parts. It comes with the plastic plates installed, but you can swap out the metal plates if you'd like. It has that flat facing trigger on it with the trigger safety as well. Ambidextrous mag release. You can see all the details on this gun. Again, this is the Canik SFX Rival Dark Side, pdccstore.com. See this gun and any other Canik out there that you'd like as well.